All right, so yesterday I was walking my lawnmower past, and this guy asked if I would mow his lawn, and I said yes. He was like, all right, what about this weekend? Could you help me paint my house potentially and do some other stuff? And I was like, sure. So, $20 an hour, and we're gonna help him paint and do other stuff. So basically, we just masked up right here through the hallway into this room, and tomorrow we'll paint and I'll hopefully get more footage. Got all the walls done, painted, and as well as this bathroom wall all the way up, and this bathroom wall. And yeah, we're coming back tomorrow again. Alright, so we're here at day 3. Gotta paint these doors, put all the sockets and the socket covers back on, pull up all this, and peel the masking tape off. Paint the front door, which is already doing stuff, and then just kind of sweep up and clean up, and then we're done. So I'm gonna start on these doors. Okay, we're done painting that house now. You can see in some of the time lapses, he has got an automatic roller that he was rolling it onto the walls with, but really all we were doing was just doing like the exterior like trim of the actual like the border, I guess, of the walls. Then we pulled up the tarps and all the spare paint, but we're done with that now. We got paid $400. We were there for 3 days. The first day was when I did all the actual tarping. The second day was when we did the trim, and the third day was when we did all the doors and we pulled up all the tarps. So it was $140 for one day, $120 for the next day, and then $140 again. And now that brings our total up to right here, and we made this much, which is I think just 400 round total. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. See ya.